This is a unique talk show that talks about controversies, lifestyle, issues in and out of the country, this is Let's Talk. Education is the key to success. Lagi nating narinig yan mula sa ating mga magulang and even in schools. To be educated is being able to make your own decisions and form your own opinions about things. Real education is the one which enables you to think for yourself and apply what you have learned. Pero ano nga ba ang sukatan ng magandang edukasyon? Ito ba ay sa klase ng eskwelahan? Kung ano ang pinag-aaralan? O sa haba ng panahon ng iyong pag-aaral? Good day everyone, welcome to a talk show that talks about controversies, lifestyle, and issues. I am Derick Gonzales, and this is the season opener of Let's Talk. Today in our show, we will be talking about the programs of the Department of Education, especially the K-12 program. And to discuss about this, I have with us the School Division Superintendent of Ilocos. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk to Dr. Marino S. Baytec, the School Division Superintendent of Ilocos Division ng Department of Education. Hello, Doctor, and welcome to Let's Talk.
Hi. It's an honor to be here, and I'm very happy that I was invited to be with you today.
Thank you so much, also. And it's also a great pleasure and a great honor for us, especially people from DEPED. Okay, sir, kumusta muna tayo? Kailan ka muna nag-umpisa or nag-assume ng iyong position being the DEPED superintendent dito sa Ilocos Sur?
I started my as a school division superintendent officer in charge. That was September 2008 when Dr. Galad retired from the service. And a year after that, I was appointed as the full-fledged School Division Superintendent of the Division of Ilocos.
Division of Ilocos, sir. Pero halata ko lang, alam ko, like for example, sa yung Ilocos Division, bakit hindi kasama yung dalawang cities, ang Candon at Vigan, sa sinasakupan mo?
Separate kasi silang divisions. Mga cities, meron na silang division na separate. So, there is a superintendent for Candon and there is also a separate superintendent for the city schools of Vigan.
So, pero iisa lang yun, no? Isa pa rin yun. Mas malaki lang yung area mo.
Mas malaki.
Kasi District 1, District 2, hawak mo na eh. Yeah, pero eto muna, as the division superintendent ng Ilocos Division, ano ba talaga yung ginagawa ninyo? Ano yung trabaho natin?
Of course, as per 9155, RA 9155, ang mga responsibilities ng superintendent ay to develop and implement education development plans, also to hire and evaluate personnel from the division supervisors down to the janitors. And of course, the division superintendent plan and manages the utilization of human, physical as well as physical resources of the Department of Education of the Division of Ilocos. Of course, we also monitor the utilization of funds of the division. We also supervise the public schools, secondary and elementary, not only public schools, but we also supervise the private schools, elementary and secondary schools, as well as the learning centers of the different communities that cater to our out-of-school youth.
Okay, so means say public and private, hawak mo yun, sir, ganun ba yan? So, ngayon, let's talk about the programs na ng Department of Education for the school year 2012-2013. Ano na ang mga programa natin ngayon?
Of course, ang pinaka-center ng program ng DEPED ngayon ay ang K-12. Siguro naririnig na ninyo yun. Kasi all systems go for K-12. In fact, sabi ni Secretary, Father Arvin Bistro, everybody has to be the midwives of the K-12 because this is the birth year of K-12.
Yeah.
We are now implementing K-12 this school year, and everybody from the teacher to the principal to the supervisors to the superintendent to directors ay tulong-tulong yan para ma-implement natin ang K-12.
What is K-12 ba talaga? Explain mo sa amin yung konti kasi. Alam ko, K-12. Is it K for kindergarten hanggang 12 years pa?
Yeah, yung K is kindergarten.
Okay.
Last year we organized kindergarten classes, but this year formalized na, institutionalized na yung kindergarten kasi meron na tayong kindergarten law na pirmado ng presidente at saka may mga items na rin ng mga teachers for kindergarten. Hindi lang marami pero naumpisa nang magbigay ng items yung secretary para sa mga teachers natin sa kindergarten. And in addition to that, kung wala pang mga items, may mga volunteer teachers tayo sa kindergarten na magtuturo sa mga enrollees pero ang tatanggapin lang niya yung mga minimum na honorarium na 3,000 per month. Pero yung mga teachers ay gusto na rin silang ma-empleo sa kindergarten bukod sa experience na nakukuha nila ay eventually when items shall arrive then they will be the priority teachers to be hired for the kindergarten classes.
So, meaning, Doctor, the K-12 program will definitely start itong school year 2012-2013 na to?
Yeah. Kasi yung sa grade 1, ang curriculum na ngayon ay bago, yung K-12 curriculum na. Saka yung grade 7, K-12 curriculum na rin. Yung mga grade 1 teachers natin ay na-train na dun sa implementation ng K-12 curriculum. And also with that of the secondary schools, especially the first year high school or mga grade 7 teachers. Ngayon, na-train na sila, may nag-train dito sa Philippine Science High School at meron din nag-train dito sa UNP.
Yeah.
So, more or less ready na yung mga teachers natin, yung mga principals, mga head teachers, they were already oriented on what K-12 is, and so all systems go for K-12.
Yeah. So the teachers and the principals are really trained na dito. Pero ngayon, sir, gusto ko naman, para sa ating mga viewers, explain mo na natin, paano ba itong K-12? So ano mangyayari? After kindergarten, pag nag-grade 1 yan, ilang taon na yung elementary?
Nandun pa rin yung 6 na taon na elementary.
Okay.
So yung kindergarten, at saka yung 6 na taon na elementary, and then 4 na taon na junior high school at 2 taon na senior high school. May mga nagsasabi na kailangan ng maraming pera for the implementation of this program. Ngayon hindi naman masyadong malaki ang kailangan pera kasi for training lang naman. Actually, we have teachers. Wala pa namang additional teachers sa kindergarten lang meron eh.
Okay.
May additional teacher na sa mga classrooms kailangan after mga 2016 na. Pagkatapos mag-graduate sa senior high school, yung mga 4th year, ay yung junior high school, yung mga nasa grade 7 ngayon. So grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10. After 4 years, meron ng additional
2 years.
2 years. Doon tayo kailangan yung additional teachers, additional classrooms, at saka yung materials na kailangan sa pagtuturo.
Yeah. Sige, sandali ganito, Sarah. So, pag pasok ko ng, kunwari anak ko, papasok na ngayong taon na to as grade 1, so 6 years pa rin yun.
Yes.
Gagraduate ba siya na 6 years o 7?
Yes, 6 years.
Graduate siya. And then, you said merong junior high school na 4 years.
Yes.
Gagraduate pa rin siya.
Gagraduate pa rin siya.
And the 2 years for the senior high school.
Yeah.
Yun. So, may graduation ulit yun.
Meron.
Bago siya mag-college.
Yeah.
Okay. Pwede bang hindi na siya mag-senior high school at diretso na sa college?
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede.
That's why may mga nagsasabi na yung mga private high schools, exempted sila sa senior high school. Hindi naman totoo yun. Kasi after 4 year of junior high school, not all our high schools, secondary schools, will be ready to implement senior high school. Kaya yung DEPED they will find out if these schools will be ready to implement senior high school. Kung hindi sila ready, then these graduates of junior high school will have to enroll in schools that will be offering senior high school.
Wow, medyo, well, okay naman, no, pero medyo gulo na ng konti doon. Like, for example, yung school na yun, para talaga ready para sa senior high school, lilipat siya ngayon ng
Of
ibang
course,
schools.
we cannot force a private school to implement senior high school if they're not ready. With facilities, for example, with teachers, wala silang building, how can they provide senior high school to our students? So these graduates of junior high school, if they want to pursue college education, they have to take up two years for senior high school, and then they go to college.
Yes. So this is for public and
private
also. O sige, Dr. Diyan ka muna ha. Mga kaibigan, yun. Medyo nakuha niyo na ba kung ano ibig sabihin natin ng K to 12? More of that later sa pagbabalik po ng Let's Talk.